Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add color swatches to Shopify product variants. This is going to be pretty easy. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So to add color swatches, you simply need to head up to your products. You can see you have your inventory here. Click on any of these products and then you will be on to its editing section. You need to simply scroll down and you can see we have variant option in here. Click on this. Let's just say you want to add a color. Click on this. A color swatch is now added. You can add different colors to make it into a swatches, and that is pretty much it for this one. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more, and with that being said, see you guys around in the next one. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.